Back, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hoopa in his confined form. As we all know, we have already seen a hoopa in this form during the movie Hoopa in the Clash of Ages. That was the first ever movie that Hoopa was seen in. But we don't know when we're going to see Hoopa again in this series. But I think I saw it in that music video before. But I think we'll see him again in another series. You know what? I think we'll see him in Pokemon Journeys. That's what I think. Sorry about that. I just paused there for a minute. So let's get started on drawing him, shall we? So you just start with his eyes.
Something's coming, but when will be the moment that leads to greatness? All you need to innovate, together you'll demonstrate what strength is. Be a hero, be a hero.
There's his teeth.
All the power is at your command. Face your fears,
There we go.
so you're a hero. The future of the world is in your hand.
There's his head. There we go. There's his horn. Be sure to draw this line here, and be sure to draw the earrings above it, or at least I think they're earrings. I don't know for sure. Alexa, play Stand Tall.
Stand Tall by Pokemon, Ben Dixon and the Sad Truth and Ed Goldfarb on Amazon Music.
There we go. Be sure to draw the hoop around him. I don't know if that's a skirt or not. Here's his light bulb and his tail. Next up are the arms.
Knock me down, I'll just get up again. You've met your match, I'm no beginner. Pokemon, gotta get some more.
And finally, you just draw this part here.
You've met your match, I'm no beginner. Pokemon, gotta get some more. I've got all my friends beside me. I'm keeping my eye on the ball. With the wisdom of years to guide me, I'm gonna catch 'em all.
And there we go. That's how you draw a hoopa in its confined form. So, which form do you think is better? The comedic confined or the ultimate unleashed unbound? Be sure to leave a comment below. And until next time, Ali Hoopering!